Steam cleaning has become a compelling option for car detailing because it delivers chemical-free cleaning with high-temperature, high-pressure steam that can loosen grease, sanitize fabrics, and refresh interiors without residues. For vehicle detailing, the right tool can handle everything from leather and upholstery to grout lines and floor mats and dashboard crevices, all while minimizing moisture-driven risk to electronics. Product number 1. Cowtop Steam Cleaner for Home. The Cowtop handheld steamer combines a 1,400 milliliter tank with a rapid 15-second heat up to deliver up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit steam at a claimed 50 psi. Built from premium ABS, it emphasizes portability, 4.4 pounds, and a 79-inch total reach via a 2-meter hose and 1.5-meter cord. Its 16-piece accessory kit includes brass and nylon brushes, an extension nozzle, and a floor brush, making it versatile for car detailing and household tasks alike. The 3-level handle adjustment adds ergonomic options for different surfaces and user heights, while the transparent tank enables easy water monitoring and extended sessions up to 45+ minutes of steam per the manufacturer's claim. Performance-wise, the combination of high temperature and 50 psi enables solid grease and grime penetration on car interiors, upholstery, and floor mats without chemicals. On cars, the accessory mix supports cleaning vents, fabric, and light upholstery without residue. However, the smaller footprint comes with trade-offs. The 1.69 quart capacity requires more frequent refills for extended detailing sessions, and the 110-volt DC power specification may limit compatibility with some RV or workshop setups. Build quality feels robust for daily use, and the tool-free assembly is a welcome convenience for spontaneous detail sessions. Product number 2. Wagner Spraytech C9000 054905E Auto-Rite Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner. The Wagner 905E Auto-Rite is a 12-attachment standalone steam cleaner engineered for automotive interiors and broader household tasks. It uses 212 degrees Fahrenheit steam with a 40-ounce reservoir and a built-in steam readiness indicator to signal when heat up is complete. Its compact form and 9-minute heat time make it practical for on-the-go cleaning, while the 13-piece accessory kit, including squeegee and nylon brush, supports upholstery, carpets, leather, dashboards, and windows. In practice, the 905E offers solid versatility for car detailing. Steam Ready indicator helps manage usage and prevents oversteaming. The 12 accessories cover core detailing tasks, and the 2-year manufacturer warranty adds reliability. On the downside, the 40-ounce tank limits continuous cleaning on larger vehicles or multiple cars between refills, and some users note variability in accessory fitment and durability over extended use. The weight, around 9.75 pounds, also makes prolonged. Product number 3. mcculloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. The mcculloch MC1385 is the premium canister option in this lineup, featuring a sizable 64-ounce tank and a robust 1,500-watt motor. It offers up to 120 minutes of steam with a continuous steam feature and 58 psi pressure, along with an extensive 23 accessory kit designed for home and car detailing. The 18-foot cord and 7-foot steam hose maximize reach, enabling thorough cleaning of floors, tile grout, upholstery, dashboards, and auto interiors. The chemical-free cleaning aspect is reinforced by its ability to clean automotive surfaces without added cleaners. Performance-wise, the MC1385 excels in sustained sessions and hard-to-reach interior areas thanks to its long hose and large tank. The continuous steam option is helpful for bigger jobs like entire car detailing or tile grout restoration. Users report strong performance on stubborn stains with repeated passes, and the included floor mop head enhances versatility for home use. The main drawbacks are bulk and weight, 13 pounds, and a higher price, which may be overkill for casual, quick detail tasks or smaller vehicles. Product number 4. Steam Cleaner. Phlegosis positions this model as a high-powered handheld cleaner with a 2500-watt motor and a 1.6-liter tank, delivering 221 degrees Fahrenheit steam in 15 seconds and up to 3 bar, or approximately 43 psi, of pressure. The 16-piece accessory set includes a brass brush and various nozzles with a long 16-foot reach via hose and cord combination. The 110-volt design and ABS construction emphasize portability and strong cleaning potential for car detailing and household tasks alike, including grills, bathrooms, and upholstery. In use, the 2500-watt output translates to brisk removal of grease and grime on vehicle interiors, floor mats, and vent ducts. The dual consideration of 1.6-liter tank and 16 accessories makes it suitable for a broad range of tasks, especially quick surface-level detailing around the car interior. However, the advertised 3-level control requires operator familiarity to optimize for delicate fabrics versus heavy grime. Some users may find the lack of a dedicated continuous steam mode limiting for longer sessions. Product number 5. mcculloch Steam Cleaner for Home. mcculloch combines a 1600 ml tank with a powerful 2500 W motor, delivering 250 degrees Fahrenheit steam in 15 seconds and up to 45 psi. The unit features 6-level adjustable steam control and a 16-foot combined hose and cord reach for better access under seats and into door panels. The package includes a broad 18-piece accessory set and comes with safety-minded extras like heat-resistant gloves and a refill funnel. The 3-year warranty and lifetime support add long-term value for buyers who plan heavy use in both home and car detailing. Performance-wise, the 60-minute Level 1 operation and shorter durations at full power offer versatility for both delicate fabric sanitizing and heavy grime removal on car interiors. The 110-volt design and ABS hose construction provide practical portability while maintaining durability. The main limitations are that it lists weight as 1 pound in specs, likely a misprint, and some buyers may find the 60-minute continuous runtime at Level 1 less than ideal for large jobs. Still, the 6-level control and 18 accessories make this a flexible option for mixed tasks.